Recording in progress.
I'm S. Ravi Kumar, research scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekhar Iyer, Joint to H. Hyderabad. Literacy survey research group publications related to the cybercrime case study. Today's topic is Spatial Cognition Applications towards Swachch Digital India. Abstract of this paper is Spatial Cognition Space, a review of spatial cognition functions and applications, location-based services, cybercrime solution space, and humanity from a spatial cognition perspective. Need to build a new spatial database to prevent cybercrimes by developing new spatial rules. Introduction of this paper is cognition, spatial cognition. Various subjects work together to understand spatial cognition in human beings and in technical systems. Spatiality regards space as web space, memory space, or space with the properties such as location, distance, size, and direction. Now another session is spatial cognition functions and applications. Selecting a correct lane to take while driving to a place, identification of a right way to make a diagnosis of a disease. Spatial cognition functions include a wayfinding as a part of navigation, utilizing knowledge of space, imagining places. Some of the applications of spatial cognition include geographic information system, location-based services, and spatial education. Another session is spatial cognition in location-based services. Location-based services use geodata from mobile phones or smartphones. Location-based services use a smartphone's global positioning system technology to track a person's location. Based on the theories of spatial cognition, we can build artifacts that implement perception, memory, information processing, and communication. Now, the session is spatial cognition in cybercrimes. Cybercrime is about the crimes in which communication device and communication channel are used directly or indirectly as a medium. Cybercrime includes criminal activities like fraud, forgery, and mischief, theft, and defamation, in addition to hacking, web defacement, cyberstalking, and webjacking, which have evolved as a consequence of abuse of a computer. It is very imperative to develop a cybercrime spatial analysis system. This helps to prevent cybercrime. The spatial rules of cybercrime on the basis of geographic information system. Set up spatial database through IP searching based on criminal indication. Extend GI data structure and spatial models, add network dimension and virtual attribution to recognize dynamic connection between cyber and real space. Design cybercrime observing and avoidance system to discover the cyberspace logics based on spatial analysis. And here it is a number of cybercrime cases in India increasing, and it shows the cybercrime cases profile 2011 to 2015. So here is a source. And another session is human spatial cognition. Use of internet has become unavoidable in everyday life. Using computers and internet has become a part of education, such as web-based courses, notes, WhatsApp, and emails. The widely used applications by young people are such as shopping online, WhatsApp, playing games, watching videos, and downloading information. The Carl Jung's theories of psychological type, the cognitive functions, also known as mental functions, are defined as different ways of perceiving and judging. They are all well defined as thinking, feeling, sensation, and intuition. Extraversion, an attitude defining the self in accordance to the stand of the external world. Introversion, an attitude defining the outer world in accordance to the standard of the self. Intuition, abstract perception of the environment. Sensing, concrete perception of the environment. thinking, impersonal assessment, feeling, person-centered assessment, information communication technologies are used as chief source in education. And here it is a cognitive functions. Figure 1.2, three phases of cognitive functions and the source of the particular figure. And conclusion of this paper is use of spatial technologies has become very common in society. Spatial technologies and cognition would benefit people to use them easily. Location-based services provide easy navigation of users in traveling. Assistive technologies, either software-based or hardware-based, need to be developed so that these can be utilized by differently able people. In future, there is no need to develop a cybercrime spatial solutions system and assistive technologies for disabled people. Thank you.